Welcome to the English Corner. I hope so you're all doing good and fine. As you know, this is series of pair of words and I uploaded many other videos. So please check these videos and share your experience. If you like my videos, so subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to share three pair of words. The first pair of word is add and aid. Add का मतलब होता है जमा करना और aid का मतलब होता है इमदाद करना. I add some more salt in soup and a doctor gives first aid to the patient. I think so with the help of these sentences you understood. The second pair of word is ale and ale. AIL एल का मतलब होता है बीमारी और ALE का मतलब होता है शराब, मतलब एक किस्म की शराब. His back was ailing him. She enjoys a pint of ale. With the help of sentences you understood. And the last but not least pair of word is cattle and cattle. CATTLE कैटल का मतलब होता है मवेशी और KETTLE का मतलब होता है कैटल, यानी कि एक आला, एक मशीन पानी गर्म करना या चाय बनाने वाली. आई